All right, we're getting news in that land grab case. We're being told that Aragiri has surrendered. Meanwhile, the Madurai court has granted him bail. The Madras High Court had already granted him anticipatory bail. This in connection with the land grabbing case. We have Shisha ready through on the line with us. Shisha, take us through the developments.
Exactly, Vedika. Today he surrendered at the Madurai bench court and they have granted him bail. But he had already applied for an interim bail granted to him, and tomorrow the case is coming up for hearing again. And this is in connection with the land grabbing case. There was a farmer who had filed a complaint against the DMK Chief Karunanidhi's son and former Minister N.K. Aragiri for grabbing 44 cents of temple land that using forged documents is what the complaint was all about. So this was filed a couple of months back, and now after getting into the details and the veracity of this particular case, the police had registered a complaint against N.K. Aragiri and he had taken an anticipatory bail. So this will come up for hearing, so we'll know what is going to exactly happen tomorrow at the court.
So what's the road ahead for Aragiri then, Shisha?
Well, at this point in time, this is the only thing that is keeping Aragiri in the news. But as far as the DMK is concerned, we do know that Aragiri has no role to play after he was suspended from the party. So this is one thing that is actually putting him in the limelight. Otherwise, this case might not have any serious ramification on his image as far as this case is concerned, because they have been saying that they have all documents. Aragiri's camp is saying it was just 44 cents of land. It was the temple land is what the farmer is alleging. So this is not new for the DMK family, because even in the past there have been a lot of land grabbing cases. As far as the DMK is concerned, there were a lot of ministers in the DMK itself who were involved in such land grabbing cases, and as soon as the ADMK took to power, there were a lot of land grabbing cases were cracked down. So this is one such of the case. But again, after tomorrow's hearing at the court, we'll get to know what is the road ahead for N.K. Aragiri.
All right, Shisha, we'll keep coming back to you for more. All eyes will be on that crucial hearing tomorrow.